We have now seen the 4 basic operations to combine numbers. First, we had addition. For example, 3 plus 4 equals 7. We saw the commutative property, which said for A and B, A plus B equals B plus A. We have the associative property for addition, that for numbers A, B, and C, A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. We also had the additive identity, which said for any number A plus 0 equals 0 plus A is just A. And with addition came its opposite, subtraction. For example, 7 minus 4 equals 3. And we can understand subtraction as addition of negatives. So our example 7 minus 4 we can rewrite as 7 plus negative 4, which is 3. This allows us to use all the properties that we have for addition, which we don't have for subtraction. After learning addition and subtraction, we next learn multiplication. For example, 4 times 3 equals 12. We saw also for multiplication that it has the commutative property. For any numbers A and B, A times B equals B times A. And multiplication also has the associative property. That is, for numbers A, B, and C, if we first multiply A times B and then multiply by C, it gives us the same thing as if we first multiply B times C and then multiply by A. And finally, we saw that multiplication has an additive identity also, which is the number 1. So for any number A times 1 equals 1 times A is just A. And like the pair of addition and subtraction, multiplication has an opposite, which is division. For example, 12 divided by 4 is 3. And we can understand division as multiplication by a reciprocal. For example, we can write 12 divided by 4 as 12 times 1/4, which is 3. And in general, we can change division into multiplication by the reciprocal, which allows us to use all the properties of multiplication which we don't have for division. As a final example, if we do 24 divided by 3/5, we can rewrite this as 24 times 5/3, which if we do the arithmetic is 40.